Welcome in the kitchen. Y'all have turned around all kinds of funky ways, aren't you? Welcome in the kitchen. I already said that, didn't I? It's Sunday, so we're going to have Sunday supper. So, I'm going to do a couple things I've not done with y'all. It'll be 2 different videos because y'all know you don't watch a lot of real long videos, and I'm sorry. But I got so many people that 15 minutes is their attention span, and that's it. And they click off, and that's just the way it is. So I try to keep them a little shorter. So if you're not interested in my sweet potatoes, you don't have to watch it. If you want to watch it all, you can watch 2 videos. Okay? So, I've got sweet potatoes. I'm going to make sweet potato fries. Never done it before. Disclaimer, they may not be fit to eat. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of sweet potatoes. Never really have been. And gosh, it's been 35, 36, something odd years ago. I was at my mama's and she had baked sweet potatoes. And I wasn't feeling the best. And I ate it. And it did not last very long. And sweet potatoes since then, I've just not been a big fan. Just have not. I was deathly sick. Oh my word, deathly sick. So I'm going to cook them. The boys will probably eat them and like them. I may eat 1, maybe 2. That's probably about it. But that doesn't mean that they won't be any good, right? So first of all, I'm going to get these washed and ready to slice, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, here we go. I got 4 sweet potatoes right here. And this is my French fry cutter, and I don't know if this is going to work or not. We're going to give it a try and see. Well, it might work if I get it all together right, you think? Doesn't seem to be working too well, does it? Let me cut this in 2, if I can, without cutting my arm off. Okay, maybe it was just too tall. There we go. They're just going to have to be a little smaller, maybe. Definitely harder than an Irish potato. Definitely. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to slice them with a knife because that's just not going to work. Just not going to work. Let me get the cutting board here. That is just definitely not going to work. Okay, I'll try to get that out later. And see if I can get a sharper knife. Let's see if this one works better. This is definitely easier than fighting with that thing. Okay. All right. All right, y'all can see what I'm doing here. I'm just cutting them up into French fries. Just cutting them into French fries. I'll be back when I get them all cut up. Okay. That wasn't as easy as I thought. Those dang potatoes are hard as rocks. It's like I was up in here trying to... I knew they were harder, but I had not cooked fresh sweet potatoes in so many years that I had forgotten exactly how hard they were. Okay, so here we go. I got some butter, melted butter. You know, the recipes I read said to use oil. But I got to thinking, if you eat a sweet potato, what do you put on it? Butter. So we don't put oil on it after it's baked, do we? No. If we just bake a sweet potato, we do not. We put butter. So why not use butter? Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to start coating these in this butter. And I've got this pan right here. Matter of fact, I got 2 pans. I don't really think I need but one of them. Okay, just going to coat these, and I'm going to put that to the side and just use my hands. Just like this. And who knows, I may have to get some more butter and melt it. If I do, well, so be it. I will. Just want to coat these just so that they're nice and buttery. So they're nice and buttery. See, just like that. That's quick. Rolling around in that butter. And I may need some more butter. That's okay. It's like I said, I can get more. Something I do have more of, and I'm using salted butter. Does not matter. I don't care what kind of butter you use. I do not. I'm going to try to put these in a single layer across here. Single layers. Because I don't want them to, I want everybody to get some love. Okay? All to be lovely. I want them all to get some nice love. Probably won't need a whole lot more butter. Maybe about a half a stick, not another whole stick. That's a big old chunk there. I probably should have cut it again, but it's already buttered, so I'm not going to. Maybe. I'm just going to leave those for another day, because that's all will fit on my pan, and that's all I really wanted to do was just what would fit on one pan. So, you know, I'm going to wash my hands right here. Y'all can't see me, I don't think. Maybe you can. I'll get my hands washed good, because I got butter on them, right? Got butter on them. Butter, 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 butter. Okay, now then, over all of them, I'm going to use this Sicilian sea salt. Tarpanini Sicilian salt. Now I'm just going to come in here and sprinkle some salt over them. Just like this. Some people put pepper, some people put other seasonings. Put whatever your little heart desires, I guess. All right, and there's just some salt. Now then, on half of them, I'm going to put some brown sugar and cinnamon. So, on half. About half. I'm using about a handful of brown sugar. Like I said, we want them all to get happy. We want them all to be happy. Everybody to have some love here. Get them coated good. Make sure everybody down in there's happy. We're going to sprinkle some cinnamon on there. It's about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Because, you know, sometimes people add brown sugar and cinnamon to sweet potatoes. So I thought, why not try them 2 different ways, right? This little thing right here is about 1/8 teaspoon, so I used about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. All right, now I'm going to wash my hands again. I'm going to pop these in a 350-degree oven. I don't know if that's right or wrong, but that's what my oven's setting on, so that's what I'm going to do. And when they come back out, I'm going to taste one of them with y'all, okay? Okay, y'all, our sweet potatoes are done. I've been picking at them, eating them. You know, I prefaced this with, I don't know that I'm going to eat very many. I am. My goodness gracious. If I'd been cooking them like this all my life, I would have been eating them. I can't quit eating them. They are absolutely delicious. So, y'all get you some sweet potatoes and cook them. I'm going to get me some more. So y'all remember, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.